1 in 4 men over 30 has dangerously low testosterone, and most don't even realize it until it's too late. But here's the scary part. Most guys try expensive pills or risky treatments, when the real solution is hiding in your kitchen right now. Today, I'm revealing the 6 vitamins that saved my energy, mood, and muscle gains, naturally. And number 3 will shock you. If you've been feeling tired, unmotivated, or just off lately, your testosterone might be crashing. And no, it's not just about age. I tested every natural trick out there. These 6 vitamins made the biggest difference. No prescriptions, no side effects, just science. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly what to eat, what to avoid, and why most doctors won't tell you this. Low testosterone isn't just about sex drive. It's brain fog. It's losing muscle no matter how hard you train. It's feeling like you aged 10 years overnight. And worst of all, most solutions are scams. Those testosterone boosters at the gym? Useless, HRT injections, expensive and risky. But here's what Big Pharma doesn't want you to know. Your body already knows how to fix this. You just need to give it the right fuel. Number 1, vitamin D, the sunshine fix. This isn't just for bones. Studies show men with higher vitamin D have 30% more testosterone. But here's the catch. 8% of us are deficient. Best sources, sunlight, but good luck with that, fatty fish, or a quality supplement. I take 5,000 IU daily. Game changer. Number 2, zinc, the libido booster. Zinc is like testosterone's bodyguard. No zinc, your levels crash. But stress, alcohol, and junk food drain it fast. Eat more oysters, pumpkin seeds, or take 30 milliliters daily. Pro tip: pair it with copper to avoid imbalances. 3. Magnesium, the sleep secret. Here's what no one tells you. Bad sleep destroys testosterone, and magnesium fixes both. But most supplements are garbage. You need glycinate or citrate, not oxide. 400 milliliters before bed equals deeper sleep, higher T. But 4. Vitamin B6, the stress buster. Ever notice how stress makes you feel weak and drained? That's cortisol, your testosterone's worst enemy. Vitamin B6 shuts cortisol down like a boss. Studies show B6 can boost testosterone by 50% in stressed men. But here's the catch. Most multivitamins don't have enough. You need at least 50 milliliters daily. Best sources: chickpeas, tuna, or a standalone B6 supplement. Take it with breakfast to crush stress all day. 5. Vitamin K2, the calcium director. This is the most underrated vitamin for men. K2 doesn't just boost testosterone. It sends calcium straight to your bones instead of your arteries. 2 birds, 1 stone. Japanese studies show men with high K2 levels have 20% more testosterone. But here's the problem. You won't get enough from spinach alone. Look for MK7 on the label. 100 mg daily. Found in natto, if you're brave, or grass-fed cheese. 6. Omega-3s, the inflammation killer. Low testosterone isn't just about what you're missing. It's about what's attacking you. Inflammation from processed foods quietly destroys your T levels. Omega-3s are like fire extinguishers for inflammation. Just 1 g of EPA, DHA daily can increase testosterone by 60% in overweight men. Skip the cheap fish oil. Go for molecularly distilled or algae-based. And never take it with vegetable oils. They cancel each other out. Now here's the truth. These vitamins work, but only if you avoid the 1,1 testosterone killer hiding in your diet. Sugar. Just 75 g of fructose. 2 sodas slashes T by 25% for hours. Combine these vitamins with less sugar? So to recap, vitamin D, zinc, magnesium, B6, K2, and omega-3s. These are your natural T boosters. But remember, supplements alone won't fix a bad diet. Want the exact dosages I use? Grab our free guide at www.nutrizlab.com, link below. Drop a comment below. Which vitamin are you trying first? And hit subscribe. Next week, I'm exposing the 3 healthy foods that lower testosterone.